Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're hitting up garage sales. Should be a lot of fun, and we're gonna bring back that cheddar counter. You know what I'm talking about. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my house, and we're about to get into the spaceships. I think it's my girlfriend's spaceship today, and we're gonna go check out garage sales and see what we can find buying used items today from garage sales and what we think we're gonna future make. So that's what the cheddar counter is all about. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and put a comment down below. Let's get this algorithm to the sky. There's also a free guide. It's the first link down below. This will teach you some items you should start looking for when you're at garage sales or thrift stores, or even Facebook Marketplace. I can't wait to go look at garage sales today. There's only gonna be like 4 to 5 good ones. So, you know, this day's gonna be kind of, I don't know. It's either gonna be like really good or it's gonna be absolutely terrible. I don't know, but I'm gonna take you along with me and let's see what we can find. All right, our first garage sale seems to be in this one area right here. And then we have a 20 or 30 minute trip after that to get to South Austin for this one that I'm kind of betting on. But see if it's even worth it. If it looks like trash. It could be trash, I don't know. It's definitely worth stopping at. I mean, I do see a lot of junk. All right, the first find of the morning is the Strider bike. And we popped on it for $5. It's in extremely good condition. And these will sell for about $40 in town. So the cheddar counter is gonna be $35 profit. Yeah, the last time I sold one of those, I think I sold it for 40 or maybe even 60. Either way, it was pretty cool. It was pink. I found it for free at a garage sale, actually. So this one, we'll put the cheddar counter for sure at $35. Boy, if this day just sits here at $35, I'm gonna be really mad, but remain optimistic. So we invested the 25 minutes and now we're at this other garage sale. And like I said earlier, these things are like super far apart from each other. So today it could be a total win or a total this. It has, statistically, it's probably gonna be not the greatest day, but I'm trying to piece this together to make it right. And I'm curious to see what the end of the day's cheddar counter will look like. We're about to be at this next garage sale and I hope it's good. Well, this garage sale is supposed to have a bike, which I see right there. It's an old Gary Fisher. And those are a little hard to sell, to be honest. We just pulled up to this garage sale. There's an old Gary Fisher bike outside, which is not the easiest bike to sell. But, you know, if it's 20 bucks or less, like, I'll pick it up. It's a totally, like, vintage one. Let's go check out this garage sale.
What do you think?
This is interesting, a little Coach bag. Okay, so from that garage sale, we did get a Coach purse, which is in the car. I'll show you in a second. We got these Ping golf club set. Most of the stuff is here. The three iron is missing, but we do have the titanium G15 driver right there and a bunch of really good clubs. Most of these things are Pings. In fact, 95% of everything here is Ping, including the putter. I think we're gonna be able to resell this for like 100 conservatively. Okay, so we're just gonna say 100. I paid 20 bucks for it. That puts us adding another 80 bucks on the cheddar counter. So here is where I messed up, okay? And check this out. I know, I look like Puddle of Mud guy. Everything's so blurry. This is where I messed up. Those Ping golf club set, remember, it has a Ping bag and all the putters and all the irons and all that. It actually sold the very next day for 300, okay? 300 cash, which you'll see on a thrift vlog later. But I'm gonna spoil this video. This is where the mistake was made. I shot way too low on my estimate. Fantastic mistake, to be honest. But that's the mistake, so the cheddar counter is completely inaccurate the rest of the video. It should have an extra 200 bucks on it. But I'm conservative, you know what I'm saying? Like, I have a channel and I gotta be responsible. A lot of times, the stuff on the cheddar counter sells not even close to what it sells for. It sells like medium tier or sometimes upper tier. I've disclosed that on 2 other videos. Well, let's get back to the video. So here is the Coach purse that I found. It's a very small, very thick leather Coach purse. Don't know the name of it yet, but my girlfriend did look it up and we're looking at lowest end. This thing's selling on eBay for probably around 100 to about 120. So, you know, I paid $5 for this thing and we'll say that I'll walk away with everything free and clear, like 70 bucks. So we'll add 70 to that 115 in the corner. So yes, that Coach purse is called a Coach Tango flap, right? It's like a really, really small micro version of the Willis purse, honestly, which is a very popular Coach purse that I think was made in like the 40s or the 50s, maybe the 60s, I don't know. But anyway, if you can get it around the Coach Willis purse, those are really cool. Those almost always sell for like north of 150. But the Coach Tango flap in the black configuration has been, you know, it's all on eBay for 90 to about 150. So I think that's a pretty reasonable estimate. And the cheddar counter stands at 185 right now. Our next garage sale is technically not one that we were gonna see, but it was so close to this intersection that we were at. So we're gonna check this one out. We are officially in South Austin right now, and I really like South Austin. It's extremely eclectic. Got good trees. Everything's just grand out here. Everything's nice. That's probably $1 million house. I'm not even kidding. How are you? Yeah, we didn't find anything at that one, but it was predicted that it was not going to be that great. It was just close to where we were. Just found a road garage sale on the way to our other one. We're going to check this one out real quick. Jones Bay.
What is this?
Okay, so from that garage sale for $1 a piece, I got Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, and I got Cyberpunk 2077. Now, Cyberpunk 2077 is a pretty popular game, but I think they remastered it or repatched it or something like that. Either way, we're taking $2 off of the 185 because, you know, spending money is not the goal here, but yeah, I still found some cool deals. So yeah, now we're at 183 on the cheddar counter. 5 minutes down the road, now we're in Central Austin, and we're gonna go check out what I think could be a pretty good garage sale, or two. There's two like right next to each other. So much stuff here. It's gonna be a lot.
You know what I mean?
Look at this one.
Problem. I feel like now it's like I don't know. It's like 5 countries, you know what I mean? But like I don't know exactly yet. I mean, it's like.
So there were so many cool things at that garage sale, but everything was so marked up to the sky, like it was insane. I could not believe. Here's an actual picture that I saw that kind of got me irritated. I mean, what? Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Those people probably spent hours bringing that stuff out, hours, because there was, you know, it's a pretty good layout. They're probably gonna spend hours bringing it back in too, which is crazy. Like, those prices are astronomical craziness. Now we're back in North Austin, and we're looking for a garage sale. There should be 3 garage sales in this neck of the woods, and then we'll be home. But who knows? We could find some things here. I'm trying to remain optimistic, but it's also the dead of summer. Everyone's on vacation. It is really hot in this town right now, and yeah, you could just tell that the garage sales were going to be kind of thin. But this one, you know, these next series of 3 could be good. I'm not sure. Oh, you inflated with a paddleboard pump. Nothing at that garage sale. Let's keep going. All right, next garage sale's right here. You know, we're persevering through the mess. Who knows if we could find anything here. This being the cheddar counter right now, it's not looking that good. But you have to put in the work to get home runs. You know what I'm saying? Don't know if there's gonna be a home run here, but that's just the concept of why I make these vlogs. One of the last garage sales. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and sorry for the mistake, okay? Maybe I should just start telling you what I really think it's gonna sell for on the next Bonafide Hustler videos. But hey, if you're watching this right now, thank you very much for watching the video. And if you could do me a solid favor, hit the like button, okay? And put a comment. Sorry I made the mistake. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.